Ayan.
Wow.
Yan.
Oh, this is... Wait. Oh.
Ella.
Wait, the birds can come inside of you.
Ore ayun eh.
see the birds
Ella.
everywhere.
Best yan na klisom eh.
Little parrot.
Hello.
No, like, you're inside with the parrot.
Ane.
I don't think it's allowed. I don't know.
Ina po yun eh. Transipe.
No, there's this either way.
Ine.
Can't pronounce that.
They are freedom for us, ine.
Ah.
So we can play, we can
No,
touch.
we can't. It's just adult type.
No.
Before they can come to you.
Oh yes.
That's why.
But it's still freedom.
But you could actually just do your heart. Just do
Uh-huh.
this. Do this and then it will go here.
Ore, ayun eh. Kita, ganda guys. Ang dami nila. Hindi mo makita kung nasa saan sila guys. Pero lagi silang Ides, Milane che deble tipo ta utiena ine. Pudo. Oh, si Edo puita ni Edo. Milay che deta den ako. Ides po milay ala den ako deble po. Hello parrots. Hello. Andiyan sila din oh.
Aww. Is it a lemon? Try to lemon. Try to lemon.
Guys.
Bibi. Ayan ako ito eh.
Per me tere pedia.
Wait.
Apo de tagliona me.
Come.
Hello. Yes.
Hello.
Kita.
Hello. I don't think they want to. I think they're tired. Hello. I think they're tired of
Hello.
to constantly do that. They're so cute. I love birds. I want to see monkeys. After another go.
Let's
Let's go see the monkeys then.
Repi na kat. Dene boromen. Oh, the peacock.
Peacock.
Bikene.
Oh, the peacock. Sì, the need it.
Aitan ine in a left itan.
I feed it.
Hello, peacock.
I
Alexander,
just feed it.
don't feed the
I just
animals.
feed it.
Ne.
Alexander, don't feed it.
Hi. Dosto nena. Yan si Edo diplomas. Piyoko da, Alex. Ella. Bravo, Alex. Hi. Ella, Alex, balto. Dosto ne. Ore, ayne. Ides. Oh.
It's so cute. You can